Today I'm going to tell you how to make a quick party snack. What I'm talking about is garlic bread. So first things first, I'm going to use a bread. You could use any bread available, but I get this beautiful French loaf called baguette. I get this in my neighborhood and I'm going to make 2 slices of this. So these are like ½ inch slices. How thinner you want it really depends on you. While I keep these aside, I'll quickly make the garlic butter. For this, I need some soft butter. To this, I'm going to add some minced garlic. Don't crush garlic. I think the minced garlic gives a really nice flavor. And some parsley. Parsley is to the Italians what coriander is to us. Give it a nice mix. The butter that I'm using is salted butter, so I'm not really going to add any more salt. So the butter is ready, so is the bread. Let's get started. Slather as much butter as you like. The more the merrier, I think. And now the second one. To make things cheesier, we need some cheese. Onto these breads, I'm going to grate some mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella, I think, it's a very versatile cheese. It goes so well with your pizzas, sandwiches, and even garlic bread. You could be as generous as you want with the cheese. There are no rules. So my oven is preheated. इसे मैं अपने oven में डालूंगी करीब 10 मिनट के लिए. 10 मिनट में ये अच्छा crispy हो जाएगा. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपकी garlic bread थोड़ी soft हो, bake it for a lesser time. So I'm going to bake it for 10 minutes easily on a convection mode at 200 degrees Celsius. Now that the garlic bread is in the oven, let me share a little tip with you guys. So sometimes when I'm in no mood to use the oven, what I do is I bake these on a tawa. I keep the flame of heat really low and I bake it for a long time. That way, the cheese slowly melts beautifully and the bottom of the bread is very nicely toasted. There is absolutely no difference in taste. So जब भी आपके पास oven नहीं हो, you could really make this cheesy garlic bread on the tawa itself. It's hardly been 6 minutes and it's done. As you can see, the cheese has melted. I'm just going to plate it all for myself. I'm not sharing this with anyone. So some chili flakes, not a lot of these, and some oregano. And it's ready. Cheesy garlic bread. You share it with other people or you eat it yourself. All up to you. Thank you.
One of the most loved food items unanimously has to be pizza. Not just amongst kids, also the adults. But today the recipe that I'm making is a kids-friendly veg pizza recipe. Generally, a lot of people buy store-bought sauces, but हम लोग थोड़ा उसको healthy करने के लिए we'll make the sauce right at home. So first, in a hot pan, I'll take some oil. And इसमें हम खड़े मसाले फ्राई करेंगे. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास है bay leaves. Just sort of roughly do this. ये मैंने अपनी bay leaf ऐड कर दिया है. Some black peppercorn. A little bit of garlic. And these are seedless and skinned tomatoes. इसको पहले ही हम लोग ने ब्लांच करके रख लिया था. And now we'll give it a quick mix. इसे अब हम थोड़ा season करेंगे. So I'm adding a little bit of salt. Just give it a quick mix. एक बार थोड़ा सा कुक हो जाए, हम इसमें से bay leaf निकाल के इसे मिक्सर में ग्राइंड कर लेंगे. But first we'll turn off the heat and we'll let this cool for some time. As you can see, the sauce is ready here. So I've got the pizza base right here. We'll go ahead and spread the sauce. Just spread it all along the base. Well, that should be enough. We'll just spread a little bit of processed cheese. More the merrier. I love my pizzas to be super cheesy. Now since we'll add some towards the end as well, I think this should be about fine. Now moving on to the veggies. I have some tomatoes and onion here. Just spread them across. And some onions. You can just roughly put it all across the base. Next we have our capsicum. Gives a really nice crunch, all these veggies. Now my favorite veggie, some American corn. These are already boiled. Spread it all across. And to add a little bit of spice and a zing to it, I have some jalapenos here. So I've got some chili flakes here. Spread it all across the base. And some oregano. This adds a beautiful Italian taste to the pizza. So we have some more processed cheese here that we'll sprinkle on top. Like I said, make it as cheesy as possible. We'll finish it with some mozzarella cheese on top. I'm just grating some and I'm being extremely generous with it. My pizza is ready to be placed in the oven. I'll just drizzle a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And we'll go place it in the oven now. So we'll bake the pizza at 180 degrees Celsius in the oven. You have to make sure that the cheese is very well melted all across the pizza. And once you take it out of the oven, you have to cut it in equal slices with the pizza cutter and it's ready to be served. The pizza is ready to be served and I'm sure you'll enjoy it a lot.